Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a natural and powerful remedy for hair growth and preventing hair fall, homemade onion hair oil. If you've been struggling with thinning hair, slow growth or hair breakage, this video is for you. Stick around because I'll also share tips to get the best results. Of course you will pay attention, and I will now explain why onion oil is important. Why onion hair oil works. Onion hair oil has been used for centuries as a natural solution for hair problems. Here's why it works. Rich in sulfur, onion is high in sulfur, which strengthens hair follicles and encourages faster growth. That's why people use onion oil on their heads in large quantities. Antibacterial properties. It helps fight scalp infections that can cause hair fall. Improves blood circulation. Massaging onion oil into your scalp increases blood flow, delivering nutrients directly to your hair roots. Prevents hair breakage. Regular use strengthens hair and reduces split ends. So, this is not just a myth. Scientific studies have shown onions can really improve hair growth. Now, chopping onion and preparing oil. If you want to make onion oil, you need onions. Ingredients you'll need. To make your own onion hair oil, you'll need just a few simple ingredients from 2 to 3 medium-sized onions. According to your needs, 1 cup of coconut oil or olive oil, both work well. One more thing can be added to this, but it is extra. Few drops of essential oils like rosemary or lavender for fragrance. Make sure all your ingredients are fresh and organic if possible. This ensures your hair gets the maximum benefit. Now, blending or grating onions, step-by-step preparation. Now, step number 1, extract onion juice. I assume everyone has a blender machine at home for spices or other things. Peel the onions and chop them into small pieces and add them to a blender jar. Pour in a tablespoon of coconut oil or olive oil to the blender jar. You can either grate them or blend them to get smooth paste. Take a saucepan and pour the onion paste and coconut oil it. Now onion paste 1 or 2 cup. Stir well and shimmer it on the low flame for few minutes until the onion paste turns light brown. Use a fine strainer or cheesecloth to separate the juice from the pulp. Let me break it down a bit more, then you can understand it easily. If I may be more clear, now step number 2, mix with oil. Take 1 cup of coconut or olive oil and heat it gently on low flame. Make sure it's warm, not hot, to preserve nutrients. Then add the onion juice to the warm oil. Step number 3, infuse the oil. Let the mixture cook on low heat for 5 to 10 minutes. Stir occasionally. This allows the onion properties to infuse into the oil. After cooling down, strain the oil into a clean bottle. Your homemade onion hair oil is ready. Now applying oil on scalp, massaging, how to apply for best results. Now, here's how to apply the onion hair oil correctly. Divide your hair into sections. Take 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil and massage gently into your scalp for 5 to 10 minutes. This improves blood circulation. Apply oil to the rest of your hair, especially the tips. Leave it on for at least 1 to 2 hours or overnight for maximum effect. Wash with a mild shampoo. Do this 2 to 3 times a week. You will start noticing less hair fall and stronger, shinier hair in a few weeks. Now, before and after hair growth animation, tips to boost hair growth. To get even better results, combine onion oil with these tips. Eat protein-rich foods like eggs, nuts, and lentils. Stay hydrated. Water helps deliver nutrients to your hair. Avoid excessive heat styling and harsh chemicals. Try scalp massages regularly even without oil. Be consistent. Hair growth takes time. Don't expect overnight results, but steady use works wonders. Common FAQs. Some of you might ask, will it smell bad? Yes, raw onion has a strong smell, but adding a few drops of essential oil can mask it. Is it suitable for all hair types? Yes, whether your hair is dry, oily, or normal, onion hair oil can help. Can I store it? Yes, store in a cool, dark place for up to 2 weeks. Refrigeration extends shelf life. So that's it, friends. Making your own onion and hair oil at home is easy, natural, and highly effective. Start today and take the first step towards stronger, healthier, and faster growing hair. If you liked this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with anyone struggling with hair fall. Comment below if you tried it. I'd love to hear your results.